This will be a quick video where I'll show the different trimmer straps I was considering, the one I got, the prices, and how to install. Hang around until the end to see a few clips of it in use. Now that I have a few yards to mow, I've been looking for something to help make the trimmer portion a bit more tolerable. So I've been looking around at straps on Google and Amazon. These are some of the more popular ones and they run anywhere from $12 to $25. However, I was happily surprised when I opened my TrimmerPlus hedge attachment and it came with a free strap. It looks like one of the cheaper ones, but that's probably what I would have started with anyways. So now that we have one, let's get it installed. Installing is fairly simple. The instructions aren't overly detailed, so this quick video may help. But first, you want to install the mounting clamp. The only trick here is that you have to have two tools, one to hold the bolt head in place while you tighten the nut. You can use two adjustable wrenches, two combination wrenches, or two sockets like I do, or any combination of the three. For the mounting location, I chose the shaft closer to the trigger. I've seen pictures and videos of people that have it closer to the handle also. Since the handles are adjustable, it really all depends on what feels right for you, and the only way to get it tuned in just right is to try it out and adjust as you go. After a few uses, I settled on this exact location, so this may be a good starting point. The next step is to set up the strap. Most will come with a ladder lock buckle system similar to those on backpacks. If you're anything like me, when these things come unwound, your brain has a factory reset as you try to figure out how to correctly thread it. But here are the quick and easy steps to do that. First step is to thread the free end of the webbing through the center hole. You'll go from the wrong side of the buckle to the right side of the buckle. Then thread the webbing around the lower bar into the lower hole and then under the tongue. Next, you'll want to adjust the strap. You'll have to play around with it to get it just right. I found that I like it tighter when using the hedge trimmer attachment and loose for weed eating. Basically, for weed eating, I need full range of motion, so I don't want it too tight, but when I'm ready to rest for a second, I want it to hang freely. Now it's time for my final thoughts. After using it for a few weeks, I'd say it's definitely worth the $15 price range. While using it with the hedge trimmer attachment, it does allow you to rest while you're looking at the shape of the bush. And while using it for weed eating, back to back to back yards, it allows you to rest easily without having to put the trimmer on the ground. Overall, I'd recommend you getting one and trying it out to see if it's a game changer for you. I'll include links in the description of the strap, most like this, and also a few others I was considering. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.